In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Steam Client WebHelper high memory usage. If you've ever opened Task Manager and noticed multiple Steam Client WebHelper processes eating up a huge amount of RAM or CPU, you're definitely not alone. This is a common issue for many Steam users, especially after updates or when certain interface features are enabled. The good news is that you can usually fix it in just a few simple steps inside Steam settings. I'll walk you through each step so you can reduce memory usage and make Steam run much smoother. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy tech tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, the simplest thing you should try is restarting Steam. Completely close Steam from the system tray, or by ending the process in Task Manager, then open it again. Sometimes WebHelper processes build up over time and a quick restart can immediately reduce the memory usage. After Steam opens again, check your Task Manager and see if the usage has dropped. If the problem continues, the next fix is inside Steam's interface settings. Click on Steam in the top left corner, then go to Settings. From the menu on the left, click Interface. Here you'll find an option called Enable GPU Accelerated Rendering in Web Views. Disable this option. This setting can sometimes cause extra WebHelper processes to consume more memory than necessary. Once you disable it, restart Steam again so the change fully applies. Next, we're going to check the library performance settings. Go back to Steam settings and click on Library in the left sidebar. Look for the options called Low Bandwidth Mode and Low Performance Mode. If either of these are enabled, try turning them off. In some cases, these modes can actually cause the WebHelper components to behave inefficiently and increase memory usage. After adjusting these settings, restart Steam one more time and check Task Manager again. In most cases, you'll notice the number of WebHelper processes drop and overall memory usage improve, and that's it. That's how you fix Steam Client WebHelper high memory usage using a few quick settings inside Steam. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software fixes and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.